Our water pump repair kit, OEM number 6AH-W0078-00-00-F, is a direct replacement for Yamaha 6AH-W0078-00 and 6AH-W0078-A2, and cross-references with Sierra 18-3479. Designed for Yamaha 15 and 20 horsepower 4-stroke outboards, this kit helps restore proper water flow and reliable engine cooling. Built to OEM standards with durable marine-grade components, it's an ideal solution for routine maintenance and long-term engine protection. ICE Marine, based in Taiwan, specializes in premium aftermarket marine products you can trust. Learn more at iceboatparts.com, email seller@icemarine.cc, or contact us on WhatsApp at +8869 6646 8632.